Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 3 by using 3 is equal to 12 divided by 1. Okay, so now 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now in this question, here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So is equal to 12. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 12 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 1. Multiply 3. Okay. Now here is this multiplication and this multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36 multiply 3. So now 36 multiply 3 is equal to 108. Okay, so the correct answer is 108. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.